What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the BenQ Trevolo S stereo Bluetooth speaker. So this is sitting here next to our recent unboxing of the Denon DJ Prime Go, which is a portable DJ unit. And this will go nicely with it because it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker, but it also has an auxiliary input as well. So we're going to use this alongside of the Prime Go when we're out and about making the videos for these reviews. So that way you can see if this is going to work with your portablest setup or with your setup that is on the go and doesn't require additional battery power, or if you're just going to use this on vacations when you go to the beach and that sort of thing. We're going to see how good this actually works. It comes in at $199. You'll see the link for Amazon in the top of this video description. And we're going to see if it's worth that money and if it's going to live up to the hype. I've been using the V-Moda speaker, remix speaker, for years now. It's held up nicely. It's built like a tank. And we're going to see kind of how this compares to that. And we're going to let you know exactly if this is going to be good for your portablest use, or if it's going to be good for when you're just going out and about, or if it's not worth the money that you're actually going to pay for it. So let's check it out. It has two speakers. You can have it in this nice long configuration, or you can have it where the two speakers are actually put out and aiming towards you for a true stereo style of sound. You can actually link two of these together, and we'll get into all that when we do the review. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up and subscribe right now, so that way you know exactly when the reviews are coming out for the Denon DJ Prime Go, and of course the BenQ Trevolo S Bluetooth speaker. So let's see what we got here. All right, Trevolo S. Take off the front. This is what you get in the box. Nice, decent little packaging. Thank goodness no styrofoam, and it's just using like this eggshell carton type of material. Alright, first thing we get is your power cable to charge it. It's a power brick, and you slide on this little connecting piece so that way you can throw it into your outlet. It's a micro USB connection that actually charges it. Next you have a carry bag, a gray kind of carry bag. It's all cloth, but hopefully this fits your speaker. Look like it does. So it says Trevolo on it, and it's like a nice soft type of cloth material. Cool to include that in the package. Next up, you get your quick start guide here, your BenQ Trevolo S Bluetooth speaker quick start guide, and I think that's about it. Yep. Last but not least is the speaker itself. It actually feels heavier than I thought. It actually is smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer than this, but it definitely feels heavier than that. So probably or definitely made with some metal in the construction. Nice and compact though. I like the size. Actually a little bit more compact than my V-Moda Remix. This is the lighter color, of course. Here's your two speakers that fold out from the sides to make it a little bit bigger, give you that nice stereo sound. I see it has some other speakers or air holes here. We'll find out exactly what that is. And all your buttons are on the top. You got a play pause button, mode button, volume up and down, power button, and of course a Bluetooth button as well. On the back you have your mini output jack along with the micro USB output jack as well. You actually can output your signal from here, and it also is where you charge as well. So we'll have the full out video review on this and the Denon DJ Prime Go very shortly. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so that way you know exactly when the videos like this one are coming out, and make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.